everyone, this is Maheen and we're here at the Difference Maker Gallery Night here in Toronto, where Canadian small businesses are showcasing how they're using AI to grow, compete, and stand out. Tonight I'm speaking with leaders across the tech industry to really break down what AI adoption really looks like on the ground and what it means for the future of work in Canada. I'm now joined by April Marshall, the Vice President of Inside Sales at HP Canada. April, it's lovely to meet you. Thank you so much for taking the time out to chat with us. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for having me. It's nice to meet you as well.
Very pleased to have you with us. Now, April, for small business owners that are looking to modernize their operations, where should they start when it comes to investing in AI-powered technology, and how can they ensure that they're making the right choices for long-term growth?
The best place to start is with the business problem or challenge that the small business owner is facing, and then find the right technology that helps solve that problem. Small business owners are somewhat overwhelmed with time management, potentially lack of resources, and competing priorities. And that's where AI can help them. I think they also feel the pressure to keep up or implement AI at a rapid speed, which they don't have to do. Starting off with aligning some AI to certain business outcomes and objectives is really the way to start small and grow from there. That's what makes the Difference Maker experience such a good one for our small business owners. It gave them an opportunity to have hands-on practical experience with AI that showed them that they could take something into reality and have an outcome that we will see here later this evening. And I think the last thing would be that they should work with trusted, proven brands and partners to help them choose the right technology and help them scale that technology along and through their AI journey.
Right. So it really, so what we understand is that it really starts with a strong foundation and thinking long term. Now that takes us to our second question, which is really about when it comes to putting that into practice. April, what are some of the most effective ways that small businesses can use AI-enabled devices today to really improve productivity and decision-making?
So I think really it's starting small. And I think that's a big part for lots of people when it comes to AI. Everybody thinks that AI needs to be a significant outcome, something that's very flashy, tangible, that everybody notices. The reality is that small tasks in behind the scenes can be extremely efficient, extremely effective, and have very strong outcomes for a company. Mm-hmm. And I think that is, I think there's some people are just slower to adopt, but again, I think they just need to take the time, choose the right task that opens up free time and allows them to spend more time focusing on customer outcomes, experiences, strategy, and growth that the company is working towards. On the HP AI PC, the technology is what we call on the edge, and that is where the data is actually housed on the PC. This also allows for more efficiency for our small business owners. It includes privacy, security, and then of course they don't have to access cloud services. So it's a simpler, less complex solution for them.
Mm-hmm. April, that is such a great look at how this shows up in day-to-day operations. And now from HP's perspective, how is HP creating solutions that are helping small businesses navigate the future of work?
At HP, we focus on designing technology around how people actually work. We also know that there's a broader challenge. Our work relationship index shows that only 15% of Canadians have a healthy relationship with work. And that has a lot to do with tools, collaboration, and technology working seamlessly for them. So this is something that we focus on with our One HP strategy, whether that be connecting devices, printers, our software technology, or our Poly Collaboration Studio technology. We have all of these working well together to create a simple and a less complex environment for our small business owners and their company.
That is super insightful. Thank you so much, April, for sharing so much, and really interesting to see how that support is being built in. April, thank you so much for your time and for being so insightful and sharing your vision with us and with our audience. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate the opportunity.
From strategy to tools to the technology kind of it all, it's clear that AI is no longer something of the future. It's already reshaping how small businesses operate today. Reporting from Vermont Studios, I'm Maheen Bari.